Axflow presents NOV's Scion progressive cavity pumps. The new series will feature a new color scheme and offer enhanced performance, improved maintainability, and lower life cycle costs. Scion pumps feature a hollow rotor, a 2:3 ratio stator-rotor geometry, and an optimized drive lantern. Maintenance access allows all components to be removed while still installed. In addition, the Scion series features a two-piece stator housing with a removable elastomer core. The housings of the shell coupling and the shaft seal are also split, which greatly simplifies maintenance.